Mastering English Collocations through stories and conversations.
Number 1. Every life, a different path.
I come from a small, immediate family, but I've always been curious about my roots, so I decided to build our family tree. That's when I discovered how large my extended family really is. From cousins in Canada to a distant relative in Australia, my family members are spread across the world.
I was lucky to grow up in a loving family, a warm and close-knit family, where everyone supported each other. My parents gave me a carefree childhood, filled with laughter, stories, and bedtime hugs. Unfortunately, not everyone is that lucky. My best friend had a troubled childhood and came from a dysfunctional family. Her parents went through a bitter divorce, and things only got worse with the messy divorce proceedings that followed.
After a long court case, the divorce settlement left her mother in a tough situation. She had to raise the kids alone in what people often call a broken home. In the beginning, the court granted joint custody, but eventually the judge decided to award sole custody to her mom. Her dad was still required to pay child support every month.
Luckily, over time, her parents managed a mutual divorce, separation, and are now on good terms with each other, at least for the sake of their children.
Later in life, my friend got pregnant while she was in college. She chose to be a single mother, despite the difficulties. Although some suggested she have an abortion or give the baby up for adoption, she decided to keep the child. Her due date was in May, and the baby was due around the time of final exams.
When she had the baby, she was filled with emotion. She gave birth to a beautiful girl. Later, she met a kind man who couldn't have children but wanted to start a family. He accepted her daughter as his own and became one of the most devoted adoptive parents I've ever seen.
Together, they raised the child with care and love. They worked hard to bring up the child with strong values, and even told her the truth one day, that she had been an adopted child, but also that her birth mother had loved her deeply and made the best choice she could.